children, a warm welcome to the 6th standard maths session. Today we are going to see divisibility test. What is meant by divisibility test? To check a number, given number is divisible by other numbers 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This one we have done in 5th standard also. Okay, so let us see how we are going to do in 6th standard. If you want to know that a number is divisible by another number or not, we generally perform division and see whether the remainder is 0 or not. But it is very time consuming in case of large numbers. What is meant by large numbers? If the given number is 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit and 7 digit and so on. When you get a very big number, large number, it is little difficult to check whether it is divisible by the given number, right? Let us see whether we can find a pattern that can tell us whether a number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 or 11. Here, the divisibility rules. A number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. How we are going to do? There is a rule for each and every number. Rule for 2. If last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, what does it mean 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8? Yes, it is an even number. So, if the last digit is an even number, then you can say the given number is divisible by 2. Yeah, see this example, the last digit, that is which is in ones place. So here 4, here it is 6. So these two numbers are divisible by 2. Rule for 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, what do you mean sum of the digits is divisible by 3? You have to add the digits in the given number and that sum should be divisible by 3. In that case, you can say that the given number is divisible by 3. See, here it is. When you add 3 plus 0 plus 1 plus 5 means 9. Here also the same 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So, you can say the given number is divisible by 3. Rule for 4. If the last two digits is divisible by 4. Last two digit means ones place and tens place. We have to take the last two numbers. See, here the last two digits are 0, 8 and 20. 8 and 20 is divisible by 4. This is 2 times and for 20 it is 5 times. So, we can say these numbers are divisible by 4. Rule for 5, so easy one. If the last digit is 0 or 5. In ones place you have 5 and 0. So you can say these two numbers are divisible by 5. Rule for 4. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3. So for 6 it is must that the given number should be divisible by 2 as well as by 3. If any one cases fail, then you can say that this number is not divisible by 6. See, the given number has 4 and 0 as a last digit. So, it is an even number and it is divisible by 2. What about for 3? Yeah, when you add, this will give you as 9 and here it is 15. So, 9 and 15 are divisible by 3. So, these two numbers are divisible by 6. Then, for 8. If last 3 digits is divisible by 8, last 3 digits means, yeah, you have to include hundreds place also. For 4, we took last 2 digits and for 8, it is last 3 digits. See, 008 and 432. So, 8 is divisible by 8. In your rough note, you can try out this. 432 divided by 8. Yes. So 432 is divisible by 8. So you can say that these numbers are divisible by 8. When you start workout for divisibility rules, please put a rough column, maintain rough column and work out the numbers. Then only you will get the answer. Blindly you can't get the answer. Okay. Next, rule for 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9 and the examples are given here, same thing. For 3 we took sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Here we are going to do for 9. When you add you will get 9 here, and for this, yes, it is 27. So 9 and 27 are divisible by 9. And for 10, way too easy. If the last digit is 0. Yes. So these two numbers are divisible by 0. And for 11, I'll tell you in the next session. Okay. Next. Exercise 3.3. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by all these numbers. We are going to say yes or no. Instead of saying yes or no, I am going to work out only one sum. The remaining all are homework. You just please follow the rules and we'll do it. Okay. Next, I'm going to take this number 429714. So first I have to check for 2. The last digit is 4. So it is an even number. So I can say this is divisible by 2. Next, for 3. What is the rule of 3? The sum of the digits must divisible by 3. Add 4 plus 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4. So what it will give you? 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 7, 22, 23, 27. 27 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, it is divisible. So this number is divisible by 3. And for 4, the last 2 digit must divisible by 4. 14 is not divisible. So this number we cannot divisible by 4. Next, for 5, last digit should divisible by, it should be 5 or 0. But here it is 4. So this number is not divisible by 5. And for 6, what is the rule? If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then we can say it is divisible by 6. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. By 3? Yes. So we can say it is divisible by 6 also. Okay. Then what is the rule of 8? Last 3 digits must divisible by 8. Here 714 is not divisible. If you want to check, you will get a reminder. Okay. So by 8 is not possible. And for 9 it is, yeah, we got the sum of the digits as 27. Is 27 is divisible by 9? Yes. So for 9 also it is possible. And for 10? No, the last digit is 4. So it is not possible. And for 11, when I'm explaining the rule of 11 in the next session, you will come to know. Okay. So let us go to the next one. Question 2. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and 8. So for each and every number we have to check whether it is divisible by 4 and 8 also. I'm going to do only the last 4 sums. So the remaining sums will be your homework. G sum. The given number is 21,084. What is the rule of 4? the last two digits must be divisible by 4. The last two digits here are 84. Is it divisible by 4? Yes. So 21,084 is divisible by 4 as its last two digits are divisible by 4. Okay, then what about for 8? The last three digits are 0, 8, 4. When you divide, you will come to know that you will get a remainder for this. So, this is not divisible by 8. Yes, as its last three digits are not divisible by 8. So, what is your answer? Hence, the given number is divisible by 4 and not by 8. Please, children, again I am telling you, maintain your classwork neatly. You must write all these sums in your notebook. The next one. Okay. Is it divisible by 4? 72 is divisible by 4 or not? Yes, it is divisible. So the given number is divisible by 4 as its last two digits are divisible by 4. You have to write all these statements for each and every sum. Just like that you cannot write it is divisible by 4, it is not by 8 and so on. It's not like that. You have to write the full statement. Then 0, 72, the last three digits. Is it divisible by 8? Yes, it will go 9 times. It is also divisible by 8 as its last three digits are divisible by 8. So what is our answer? The given number is divisible by 4 and 8. Let us go to the next sum. 1700. The last two digits are 0. Is 00 is divisible by 4? Yes, you will get the answer as 0. That is, the remainder is 0 only. So, 1700 is divisible by 4 as its last two digits are divisible by 4. How about 8? 700. 700 is not divisible by 8. Okay. So, the answer is 1700 is divisible by 4 and not by 8. Okay. Next, J sum. 2150. Is 50 is divisible by 4? No. Because, 12 times. 4 12s are 48 only. We will get the remainder as 2. So, 2150 is not divisible by 4. What about 8? 150. That is also not divisible by 8. So hence 2150 is not divisible by 4 and 8. Okay, next move on to the next question. Using divisibility test, determine which following numbers are divisible by 6. What is the rule of 6? The given number must be divisible by 2 and 3. If these two conditions are satisfied, then only you can say it is the given number is divisible by 6. Okay, here again A to H we have. Here also I am going to do only the last 4 sums. Okay, the remaining will be your homework. Okay, G sum. For 2, what it is? The last digit should be an even number. Is 4 is an even number? Yes. So, the given number is divisible by 2 as its ones place is an even number, and when you add it will give you as 30. That's what, sum of its digits equal to 30. So, it is 30 is divisible by 3, right? 10 times it will go. So, since a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it is also divisible by 6. Right, children? Next. Is 3 is an even number? No, it is an odd number. So you can very well say that it is not divisible by 2. Okay. So the first condition is itself not satisfied. Obviously, this number is not divisible by 6. But you have to go for 3 also. That also you must write it. Okay. At the end only you can tell that it is not divisible by 6. Okay, when you add, what will be your answer? 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3. You will get it as 19. Is 19 is divisible by 3? No. So, it's not divisible by 2 and not divisible by 3. So, the number is not divisible by 6 also. Okay. Next. The last number is 0. Yes, it is an even number. So, the given number is divisible by 2. Yes. Now start adding the numbers. That is the digits of this given number. 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. So, what is your answer? It is 21. Is 21 is divisible by 3? Yes. So, the given number is divisible by 2 as its ones place is an even number. And it is also divisible by 3 as sum of its digits is divisible by 3. So, it is divisible by 6. Next. J sum. What is the last digit? It is 2. 2 is an even number. So, it is divisible by 2. Let us check for 3. What is the sum of the digits? It is 1 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2. It is 23. Is 23 is divisible by 3? No. So, the given number is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. So, what is our answer? The number is not divisible by both 2 and 3. Therefore, it is not divisible by 6. Okay, we came to the end of the session. So, complete your homework. The homework sums are Thank you, children. We'll see you in the next session.